I almost passed a challenge on Top Step, but I was targeting these lows right here, these daily lows, and I ended up getting taken out at break even in the 1 hour power of free. That said, I'm gonna go towards my bias. It was a very heavy day, as you can see here. I was initially bearish because overall structure is bearish, and I wanted to see a close below this order block right here, and ideally we would have touched this 12-hour fair value gap that I have marked right here. Daily is bearish, and I was expecting that 12-hour fair value gap would make the daily high. And then the 4 hour looks bearish. There's this fair value gap that we were touching. So bearish there, 1 hour bearish, 15-minute closed bearish down here. So I was bearish throughout all of this. And I actually wanted to short this 5-minute fair value gap here at this new 15-minute candle. Wanted to short that. Problem is, we touched it. This breaks structure right here. And ideally, I put an order here, so ideally we would have touched this, and I had my stop there, and my TP was a level that I had marked on somewhere. I think it was down here. But since this was too high of a risk to reward, I took it. I was taking it somewhere here. I found some place to put it. Yeah, just below these lows. So ended up trying that, didn't get it, and yeah, from there on we just sold. Barely no retraces, no retrace here, no retrace here, no retrace here. There's this order block, but then again, no retrace basically into anything. We get this for value gap, which we were kind of respecting it. We go higher after sweeping these levels that I had. These are 1 hour. We go higher, then you get this. This is 5 minutes for value gap, as well as 15 minutes for value gap. And we went quickly here, and then we sold off. And after I saw this reaction, this is technically a close here. It's much clearer on Top Step for some reason. You get the close a little bit lower. Waited for that, got the close. Wanted actually to get this fill right here and targeting daily lows. Didn't get that. I was thinking of this right here, but this close didn't convince me. I thought we would go higher, and my TP would actually be somewhere here on these lows, which would have hit TP, by the way. But I was just confident that we would have gone here. So decided to wait again. Then saw like this internal 5-minute order block. Waited for us to go there, touch it, and we ended up going there. Here we broke structure on the 1 minute. Ended up entering here with the stop above here, just to be a little bit safe and let the trade breathe. And the TP just here. And you can see that we chopped around a little bit. Didn't close here on this. This is technically a 1 minute break of structure because this was a new 5-minute candle. And this new 5-minute candle could still, go all the way up to here and then go all the way down to there. Once I saw this candle close right here, I moved stops to here, right? So now I didn't want to see us go higher than this. Moved stops to there. Then we, sold off pretty well, and I had this 1 minute extreme marked, which I said, okay, are we really gonna hold this? Or, I mean, if we're just going lower, we might as well just sweep the previous daily low, this daily low right here. So I don't think this is gonna hold. It ended up holding. We broke structure right here. At this point, my stop was moved to break even because this technically should hold this order block right here, same way as this one did. So I just moved to break even. It even had a little bit of space for it to breathe. And yeah, new 1 hour candle comes up. You get the 1 hour. You get the 1 hour power of free, which is forming now. You get the new 15-minute candle power of free, which is also forming now. So I was expecting already here to have this as a break even. Also, you can see here that you got 5 minute flipped bullish. So now you got the 1 minute and the 5 minute. This candle close right here is not really, bullish. But at this point, I was just confident that I would have been taken out for break even, which I ended up getting taken out of, which is a shame because once we were down here after this close, I said, okay, like surely, I think surely we go to my target. If not, um, then I'm taking a break even. But I don't think I'll get a break even. Trade has plenty of space to breathe, so I don't think I get a break even. So surely go to my target. I make some money on the funded account, and I make some money on the challenge as well. That ended up not happening. Got taken out for break even, and yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.